Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to perfectly center an element in Canva. This is one of those small design details that makes a big difference, especially if you're creating product graphics, ads, or banners for your Shopify store. Whether you're polishing a presentation, designing a poster, or refining a social post, getting your elements perfectly centered makes your layout feel balanced, intentional, and more professional. I'll walk you through 2 simple ways to do it, and I'll add a few tips so you know exactly what to look for and when to use each method. Start by opening your project and clicking the element you want to center. This could be a shape, a photo, a text box, a logo, or any object on your canvas. With it selected, click and hold to drag it around. As you move it toward the middle of the page, watch for Canva's Smart Guides, which are designed to help you align elements quickly without guessing. You'll see a thin magenta line appear. When a vertical magenta line shows up, that means your element is perfectly centered left to right on the page, so it's horizontally centered. If you see a horizontal magenta line, that means it's centered top to bottom, so vertically centered. When both lines appear at the same time, your element is exactly in the center of the page. You'll also feel a slight snap when it locks into that position, which is Canva confirming the alignment. Release your mouse and you're set. If you don't immediately see the guides, zoom in a bit or move slowly so Canva has a moment to show you those alignment lines. This is especially helpful when you're working with smaller elements or detailed layouts where precision matters. Now, if you prefer a precise one-click method, there's an even faster approach. With the element still selected, right-click to open the context menu. Look for the option that says Align to Page. From there, click Center to align it horizontally, and then click Middle to align it vertically. Doing both places the element perfectly in the middle of your design, without any dragging at all. This method is great when you want accuracy without dragging, or when you're aligning something small that's hard to place by eye, like an icon, badge, or logo. It's also useful when you want to be absolutely sure everything is centered for a clean, symmetrical layout. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the element is fully selected. If you're editing text inside a text box, click once outside it and then select the box itself, not just the text cursor. Also, these options align to the page, not necessarily to other objects, so what you'll get is perfect centering relative to the canvas. If your page has margins or bleed guides, the center is still calculated from the page area, which keeps everything consistent across different designs and formats. That's all there is to it. Use the drag and snap method when you're moving quickly, or the align to page commands when you need guaranteed precision. With these 2 techniques, you'll center any element in Canva in seconds, every time, and your designs will instantly look cleaner and more professional.